movie magic when they met for the first time. At ngayon, the powerful tandem of Casey Concepcion and Richard Gutierrez are back together para simulan na ang pinakauna nilang Valentine offering with GMA Films, ang When I Met You.
Na-shoot na namin actually yung teaser and then pati na rin yung poster. So, ito yung makikita nila, unang-unang makikita nila for the new year.
Casey started the year off on a romantic note with her recording of the much-loved theme song for their much-awaited second movie.
And it all began when I met you. The second time is sweeter. Tomorrow ba kami magkikita? Kasi tomorrow na yung first shooting day namin for When I Met You. Yes, of course, of course. Lalo na pinapakanta na nila ako ngayon. Ito yung pinanggalingan ng title. So talagang excited. Tapos bukas na kami siguro mag-exchange gift.
Also sharing her anticipation para sa proyektong ito ay ang kanyang leading man who showed up bright and early kinabukasan para sa kanilang first shooting day.
Well, ngayon first day namin at I've been looking forward to this day. Talagang excited ako na mag-shoot ulit kami ni Casey. At ngayon, director pa namin si Direk Joel Lamangan. This is an exciting project for both Casey and I. First, dahil GMA Films ang gagawa nito. At iba naman ang style ng GMA Films. Ang gagawin namin mas romantic, mas comedy. At talagang paglabas ng mga tao sa sinihan, nag-enjoy sila, nakangiti sila.
And even though it has been months since they last worked together, time seems to have no effect sa bond at pagtitinginan nila sa isa't isa.
Parang tagal-tagal na nga pero actually, maganda yung friendship namin ngayon kasi komportable na kami sa isa't isa. Nakapag-travel na rin kami sa iba't ibang bansa and ngayon makaka-travel naman kami sa Pilipinas naman kasi dito yung location ng GMA movie namin.
Well, sa amin ni Casey, wala naman masyado nagbabago kasi, we always see each other. Lagi naman kaming nag-uusap and hindi naman masyadong matagal na yung last na pagkikita namin.
Nag-roll na po ang mga camera at ito na yun. Totoo na ito.
Valentine offering namin to. So sa lahat ng mga couples, sa lahat ng gustong ma-in-love at in love, abangan po ninyo itong pelikula.
Ayan, sweet GMA Films, When I Met You, another movie milestone from Casey and Chard. Alam mo, hindi nga sila nakita ng like maybe 2 or 3 months.
Correct.
Casey kasi, of course, with her UN World Food Program and her KT musical production. Si Chard naman,
Greenpeace.
Oo, Greenpeace. Tapos nagsimula rin siya ng Full Force Nature. Kaya naging busy yung schedules nila. Kaya when they found out na finally magsisimula na ang much-anticipated Valentine's movie na ito, they were so excited. And of course, there was a little issue with the directors. Pero nakausap ko si Chard, sabi niya excited siyang makatrabaho ulit. Si Direk Joel Lamangan, na sabi niya medyo strict daw, kaya ninenervyos siya.
Oo, at syempre award-winning director yan si Direk Joel.
Ito, can I just give a little hint?
Yun, go.
Sinabi ni Casey, diba, kung yung for the first time sa Greece nila sinute, ito naman sa Palawan.
Wow!
Yes, sa Palawan nila isushoot. At si Chard, kaya medyo ganun yung haircut na ngayon dahil isa siyang piloto dito.
Oh, bongga. Alam mo, invest na dalawang
patikim
yan.
Pa lang yan.
Kinikilig ako. Every week mga kapuso, talaga bibigyan namin kayo ng update ko dyan sa pelikula na yan. Bakit? May
Valentine's
magic,
na. Valentine's na. Yung chemistry nila, it's undeniable. And yung friendship nila talagang mararamdaman mo.
Partida na yan, di sila. And yet, kinikilig tayo. Ay, nako. Grabe. Paano na?